This year at Innotrans, HUBER+SUHNER has brought a range of innovative solutions for the transportation segment. To my left here, you will find an inter-vehicle jumper system used in high-speed rail projects, and to my right, you will find the latest RADOX cables and technology aimed at making railway applications much more efficient. Let's hear from Barry, who will tell us a bit more about it.
So at HUBER+SUHNER, we have the ability to design, test, manufacture, and even do life cycle tests for complex jumper systems like the one that we have here. We've been doing this for 25 years, so we're well experienced in what we're doing. We use our RADOX technology in the cables that we do, and also we manufacture these jumpers to customer specifications. So you can see with this one here, it's quite a complex specification with very small space restraints that the customer gave us, and we've managed to put that really complex jumper together. Okay, so our RADOX technology, you can see here we've brought some LF cables, some RF cables, some fiber optic cables, and really the way that we can manufacture these cables is the way that we have our accurate production, the way that we cross-link the cables, the RC compound that we use really gives the customer a benefit of overall reductions in size, in space, and also in flexibility of the cables that we have. And you can see this here in some of the examples that we've got between the GKW and the EN type of cables. Okay, so HUBER+SUHNER, we manufacture a full range of railway cables in both the rolling stock market and also in trackside applications. The rolling stock applications we manufacture to all the European norms, and this is what our customers require in their specifications. We also manufacture to other countries' norms as well, such as the US and China. We manufacture trackside cables like the tenuous one that we have here, and these are really for trackside applications such as cabinets, buildings, and shelters, and tunnels, and stations, so they can be used in various applications. Also with the fiber optic cables, which we can supply as a cable or pre-terminated with our quick connectors on, such as QODC. These are used in train-to-ground communications, such as the